If Lightroom Classic is showing the error while checking disk space, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. This is a common issue, especially when your catalog is on an external drive, your storage is nearly full, or Lightroom doesn't have the right permissions. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check drive availability. Lightroom needs access to the drive where your catalog or photos are stored, so make sure that drive is connected and showing properly in your system. If you're using an external drive, unplug it, reconnect it, and then reopen Lightroom Classic. Sometimes the error appears simply because the drive was briefly disconnected or took too long to mount. Next, free up some disk space. Lightroom can run into problems if your main drive is almost full, so try to keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free if possible. Delete unnecessary files, clear out your recycle bin, and remove temporary files if needed. This gives Lightroom enough room to work properly, especially when opening catalogs or generating previews. Now for one of the most common fixes, move the catalog to a local drive. If your .lrcat file is stored on an external drive or a slow location, copy the entire catalog folder to your desktop or, even better, to your internal SSD. Then open the .lrcat file from that new location. This often fixes disk space checking errors because Lightroom can access the catalog more reliably from a local drive. After that, check folder permissions. Right-click the folder that contains your catalog, choose Properties, then go to the Security tab. Make sure your user account has full control. If Lightroom can't read or write to the folder properly, it may throw disk space errors even when the drive itself looks fine. Adjusting permissions can solve that instantly. Finally, try running Lightroom as Administrator. Right-click the Lightroom Classic icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated access and can help if the issue is being caused by Windows permission restrictions or system-level access problems. If Lightroom opens normally after that, you've likely found the issue. If the error is still there after these steps, go back and double-check the drive connection, available storage, and where the catalog is located. In most cases, one of these 5 fixes will solve it quickly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.